Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to reach more people, get clicks, or grow your brand using X, formerly Twitter? In this video, I will show you how to create Twitter ads step by step. Even if you are a beginner, let's jump right in. So, why use Twitter or X ads? Twitter, now known as X, is a powerful platform with millions of daily users. Whether you are promoting a product, a blog, or a service, ads on X can help you target the right audience first. Great for trending topics, real-time engagement, cheaper than Facebook or Google in some niches. Now, go to ads dot or Google, search for Twitter ads and click on this page. Now log into your Twitter account using your Twitter credentials. Set up your business information. Like country and payment method. Access the ads manager. Dashboard. Once you are in, uh, follow the process like payment process, auto targeting like location, gender, return on investment, then add one and carousel, then click launch campaign or click on create another ad, then choose a campaign objective like website traffic, engagement, social media, or carousel. Name your campaign, set your daily or total budget from here, payment section. Then give it a sales name. Set your now we will set up your audience and targeting. Click auto targeting, search your targeting location like US, then gender, then next, and follow the process. Start with a small budget and narrow targeting to test. Now it's time to design your ads. Use existing tweet or create a new prompt to it directly. What to include: short, engaging text, call to action like shop now, learn more, contact us, etc. High quality image and video, your website URL, etc. Once your ad is ready, click launch or click launch campaign. Now it's live. You can monitor impressions, clicks, engagement rate, cost per click. Go to Ads Manager. From your profile or dashboard. Click more. Then search for ads.twitter.com. From here, click on Analytics. Pause underperforming ads and test new variations. From here, you can track impressions, clicks, cost per click. Here are few tips to get the best results from your Twitter or X ads. Use simple, bold headlines. Include emojis to catch attention. Test different images or video styles. Always include a strong call to action. Use Twitter Pixel for retargeting. And that's how you launch your first Twitter ad in 2025 with the right strategy, and testing X ads can help grow your brand fast. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What type of ad are you running first? See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Analyze your post data. Understand.